Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, so this is a problem belongs to AC circuit analysis. So here asking that how to find complex power, average power and reactive power from the given voltage signal and current signal. Here voltage signal is given and current signal given here. So from this, how can you find these three powers? This is the problem. If you know complex power, so from that complex power we can easily find out average power and reactive power. How can you find the complex power? So first of all, convert these voltage and current waveforms into phasor forms. That is, voltage can be converted as voltage equal to its amplitude and phase angle is here 0 degrees, and current phasor form is current equal to its amplitude is 4 and phase angle is 45 degrees. So these are the corresponding phasor forms for voltage and current. Now we can easily find out complex power. We know that complex power represents with S, that is equal to, so whenever voltage signal and current signal is given, at that time the complex power formula is half of voltage into current conjugate. That's equal to half of voltage we got in phasor form, that is 160 with phase angle 0 degrees, and current conjugate nothing but minus of phasor form, that is 4 amplitude capacities. Now phase angle becomes minus of, that is minus 45 degrees. Now here two phasor forms are going to product. How can you product these two phasor forms? At the time, keep magnitudes product separately, that is half of 160 into 4. Now sum of phase angles, that is phase angle 0 plus of plus minus 45. That's equal to, here becomes 2 1s 2 2s, nothing but 320 with phase angle minus 45 degrees. So this is the complex power in phasor form. Now how can you find average power and reactive power? So for that, convert this phasor form of complex into complex form, means in the complex number form, that is A plus IB form. So it becomes S equal to, so by using calculator I convert this into as complex number form, then it becomes 226.3 minus J 226.3. Units are volt amperes. So this is volt amperes units for complex power. So this is complex power in complex number form. From this we can easily find out average power and reactive power. The real part is called as average power, that is 226.3, and reactive power is the imaginary part. Here minus of 226.3 is there. So this is the reactive power. Average power units are watts and reactive power units are var. This is the complex power and this is the average power and this is the reactive power. So this is the process of calculating complex power, average power and reactive power whenever voltage and current signals are given here. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.